Hi there, students. Antics, normally a plural noun, although you could use it in the singular. Let's see. Antics are playful, ridiculous, silly, funny acts or behaviour, strange behaviour, funny behaviour. So we were at the zoo watching the antics of the monkeys. They were jumping up and down, fighting with each other, hanging by their tails. These are antics. The clown was entertaining the children with his antics. Um, I remember the tennis player John McEnroe always used to be up to all sorts of antics on the court. Yeah, or maybe this reminds me of the antics of Jimi Hendrix, maybe smashing his guitar or something like that. Okay, so these are antics, strange, funny, similar, outrageous, amusing behaviour. If you turn the TV on and watch the Parliament, you'll see the antics of the politicians arguing with each other. Okay, the antics. Notice very often this noun antics is used with the phrasal verb to get up to or to be up to. So he's up to his old antics again. The kids are getting up to some antics. So to get up to, or to be up to do or be doing something generally that other people would disapprove of. Yeah, I wonder what antics those two got up to yesterday. Yeah, he's always getting up to one antic or another. So notice here I've used it in the singular. Yeah, so his antics are very funny. His antics make people laugh. So antics, clowning, tricks, stunts, larks, capers. Yeah, a caper. A pranks, escapades. Yeah, escapades. So let's see, when I was a teenager, I got up to all sorts of antics. Yeah, the old man is up to his old antics again. The children laughed at the antics of the monkeys in the cage. Yeah, they're jumping up and down and just doing crazy things. Okay, so antics, normally a plural noun. Now you can actually use use antic as an adjective, meaning playful or funny or absurd. His antic behaviour, but that's pretty unusual. You can also even use the adjective antic in art or in architecture, meaning something that's grotesque or it just looks out of place. This building is so antic in this classical parade of houses. Yeah, so yeah, it just doesn't look good. And you can actually also use the noun an antic to talk about a clown or a buffoon. Yeah, something that looks a bit grotesque. Yeah, so a buffoon performs antics of all sorts of different types. So ludicrous acts, ludicrous behaviour. Yeah, really strange and normally funny that make you laugh. But well, we can also use it for doing something that you shouldn't really be doing. Yeah, so he's up to his old antics. I won't tolerate any more of these antics. Yeah, your antics are really annoying. Your silly or unusual ways of behaving annoy me. Okay, yeah, no more of these games. I've had enough antics from this class. Settle down and concentrate on the lesson. Yeah, none of your antics. And yeah, there've been no antics from me in class in this video so far today, but there are a few antics to give you an idea. Yeah, just doing something playful that's a bit silly or weird or outrageous. Okay, So your next question, antics, formality. I think I'd give these a 5.5 in formality. I think you could use it anywhere. They're a fraction on the formal side, but use it in an informal conversation without any probably or in any other framework. Then, as to origin, it probably comes from the Italian word antico, meaning ancient, which is often used to describe classical wall paintings, where you'll see the people in the pictures up to all sorts of antics, particularly Bacchus or Eros up to his antics. And this itself comes from the Latin word antiquus, venerable. Okay, so that's the origin. It's quite easy. So yeah, antics, ludicrous, strange, outrageous behaviour. Yeah, something that is not expected. He's up to his old antics again. I really wish he'd stop these antics. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Antics. Could be singular antics.